Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alifia. Now I will explain about my final project entitled Designing a COVID-19 Digital Gradebook in Jenderal Ahmad Yani International Airport Semarang using QR code. And the table of the content for the chapter 1, I explain introduction, and chapter 2, literature review, and then in chapter 3, discussion, and the last conclusion. And the chapter 1 for introduction. In the background of the study contains background of the study and scope of the study, aim of the study, advantage of the study, and method of collecting data. Okay, for the first background of the study, here I explain the explanation of Semarang International Airport, where I explain the background of Semarang International and a little information about Semarang International Airport, then explain the standard definition of announcement in airport, especially in the announcement that basically as an international airport, it used two languages. Namely Indonesian and English for domestic and international passengers. Then a brief explanation of the cause announcement of COVID-19 just make Indonesian language to meet international standard, and airport which should use two language in every announcement. Here I found the announcement at the airport that only used one language on the COVID-19 announcement. Because passengers at an international airport are not only from Indonesia, but also from international passengers. And the reason why I choose the topic, because here I want to try to provide information about COVID-19 using two languages, namely Indonesian and English. Took the digital gradebook as a source of information about COVID-19, which can be accessed via barcode, so that passengers from abroad can also comply with health protocols, information related to COVID-19, and can find out which hospitals or structure and relate to healthy. Okay, for the scope of the topic, this case focus on a web that can be accessed via a barcode which contain information about COVID-19. And information about health protocols at the international airport is completed into language. For the aim of the study, I have a tool for the first, providing a QR code that contain a website regarding COVID-19 information, and to give Indonesian and English information provide to make easier for domestic and international passengers. And then advantage of the study, have a 3 for the first, make it easy for self-user, provide a UID's concept in providing information, and use structured language in Indonesian and English. Furthermore, in the advantage of the study, why I choose this, because I think I can make it easier for domestic and international airport, international passengers for give with two language. And in the chapter 2, for the literature review, I have 4 definition. In the first, definition of COVID-19, and definition of digital gradebook, definition of international airport, and the last definition of QR code. For the discussion in here, I want to discuss about the company profile, Jenderal Ahmad Yani International Airport. and history and vision and mission, and information about COVID-19. That's announcement at Ahmad Yani International Airport with English language. And the last chapter, I have a two summary and suggestion for the final project, and I give a standard announcement information about COVID-19 with two language. Maybe I think enough. Thank you for your, and I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.